it's Callie from Callie and Her Friends, and today I am going to be opening Hatchimals Season 1.
Yeah, we got Hatchimals Collectibles 2-pack and Nest. Series 1. There's 70 to collect. And yeah, it says Series 1. All right, let's take a look at the back. So those are the different Hatchimals that you can get. It says hold, hatch, and play. Rub the heart for, what does that say? For color change. All right. What else do we got open?
I got Zoom Zoom Season 3.
Yes. So we have a Zoom Zoom Series 3. And these are the ones that we currently have. We have Baymax. We have Genie from Aladdin. And we have Tinkerbell. Now from the collectibles, we have these two. Looks like a sheep.
This one won't stand up.
He's having a tough time because he wants to fly. So he's not standing, I guess.
Oh, there you go.
Alright, so which one do you want to open up first, Callie?
I think these ones.
You want to open up the Hatchimal?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's always kind of tricky to open up these things.
These are always tricky, and guess what I forgot to do? I forgot to open it up beforehand. So it's even going to be harder.
It's not actually that hard because I found it already.
So there's the nest. There's the checklist. And there's the 2 eggs.
This one has pink spots and this one has green spots.
Oh, I wonder what that means.
I think it's the color.
Oh. Oh yeah, because there's different colors for the different types of, yes, possibly. So there's everything that we can collect. There's the, oh, let's show us the map of the Hatchimals again. Turn around.
Yeah.
There's all the different stations, I guess, that you can buy, that you can get. One is Cloud Cove, and then we have Crystal Canyon. We have a Waterfall, Polar Paradise, Fabular Forest is 5, Giggle Grove is 6, Glittering Garden 7, Friendship Farms 8, Lilac Lake is 9. Summer Ring Sands is 10, and 11 is Breezy Beach. So here's a closer view of it. Alright, why don't you turn over, Callie?
Yeah.
And here's everything that you can collect. So let's see what we get. Let's get it cracking. Remember how to do it?
Yeah. Rub the heart.
Rub the heart. And then it should change the color.
There we go.
And there it is. The eggs are breaking. Is it?
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, look at that. Now, after the video, we'll look them up, and then we'll come back and see which ones we actually got.
That one can go in the nest.
That one can go in its nest.
And then that's its sister or its brother.
All right, let's see what sister or brother. Let's see what we get. And it's
I don't know.
it's coming out. Look at this.
Oh, I think it's a boy. Might be a girl. I can't really see.
Oh, look at that.
It's a.
Looks like a slugger.
I think it's a boy.
Look at that. All right. We'll come back and we'll tell you what their names are.
Yep.
All right. So for the
Hatchimals?
no, for the Zoom Zoom,
Oh yeah.
here are some scissors. So which one do you want before you open it, Callie? Which one do you want? Let's see. Let's see which ones are there. Let's
I want this one and this
turn them
one.
around. Can I see for a second?
Yeah. Just it's opened.
All right. So we have Pluto. We have White Rabbit. We have Baymax. We have Patch. We have Donald. We have one that I can't see which one it is.
Which one?
At the very end. We have Alice. We have Bambi. We have Jasmine. We have Woody. We have the Genie, and we have Tinkerbell. So which ones do you want, Callie?
I want Patch and
Patch.
Bambi.
Patch or Bambi? I think Woody would be cool. Or maybe Pluto. All right. Let's see, as Callie's playing with the egg. With the eggshells, let's see what Callie gets.
I got Bambi!
Oh yeah, look at that. You got the one you wanted.
Yay!
You can use your scissors.
I don't like using scissors
Oh yeah.
with this.
Much too easier. Much too easy for
Where's the bridge?
Oh, just lost Bambi.
It wasn't Bambi, it was a part of it.
Da 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 da. Oh, there she is. All right, we'll be back. We'll create Bambi and we'll figure out what Hatchimals collectibles we got.
Hi guys, so we're back, and here's Bambi.
There's Bambi. Yeah, she was easier built than some of these other ones. I think he was the hardest. I think.
Him?
Yes. Yeah. I think he was the hardest. All right, so we did get the. So the first one is, I think it's a fox. He's from the forest, and he's a common. And the other one that we got, I'm not sure if it's a slug or what it is, but he's from the garden, and he's rare. So we got one from the forest and one from the garden.
Yep.
And we marked all 4 of them down, so we'll have them all. All right, guys. So remember to subscribe to Callie's channel if you haven't already done so. Like the video, share with your family and friends, and until next time,
Bye!
see you later, guys.